Dude, what's up with that big toolbox?
Dude, I have all my tools so I can tune my engine if it goes bad.
Do you mean adjusting your PIDs?
Is anyone on channel 21?
Dude, come on. You've been flying longer than me. You mean Band B Channel 1. You're such an airplane pilot.
Men on the wrong way.
Dude, this is a park. What runway?
Taking off with the wind.
You're gonna take off with or without it, man. The wind doesn't matter. It's a drone. You have the propellers. That's how quadcopters work.
Runway clear.
Dude, we just talked about this. We are at a park. Where is the runway?
Dead stick.
Dead stick. Dude, I don't see a stick on the ground. You mean failsafe?
I won't make it to the runway.
Dude, has anything I've been saying gotten through to that thick skull of yours? We're at a park. What runway?
Landing. Is the runway clear?
Dude, you're the only one talking about the stupid runways. Dude, everybody's looking at us. Come on. Get with it, man.
Runway clear.
Great. Now that the quadcopter universe is in sync again, can you stop talking about runways, Mr. John Travolta?
Dude, I really need to add a little bit more expo to my aileron. It's a little bit too touchy.
Dude, come on. We came here to fly quadcopters. Stop talking about airplane terms. Quadcopters don't have aileron, neither do they need it. It has a roll and a pitch. You're literally holding one in your hand.
Has anybody seen my AMA card?
Dude, what's an AMA card? Is that like a new credit card? In fact, you know what? Hold on. Let me see.
Alright guys, I hope you guys liked that video. If you didn't notice, I am actually the airplane pilot. He is the quadcopter pilot, so half of the things that I use as terminology, he has no clue of what I'm talking about. But we have fun making this video for you. I hope you like it. Hopefully in the future we're gonna make more like this, and now we're gonna leave you with a little bit friendly phrase that we're gonna do between me and Charpi. So I hope you guys like it. Until next time, see you later.
See ya.
Dude, I really have to add more expo to my ailerons. Let's do that again. Dude, I really need to add more expo to my aileron. It's a little too